So I'm back in the kitchen and I've realised that the tap there empties into the sink here, which when you're chucking a bunch of cleaning stuff down there, goes to this thing here, which has got no bung on the end. So until a plumber can get here, tin foil and a hair tie, and now no more leaks. No more leaks. Right, so that'll be a temporary solution, obviously. That's not a full-time solution, but that's how I'm fixing the sink today. Yeah, still not sure about what I'm going to do with that fireplace with all the rotten wood and the support beams, but we'll sort it out eventually.